Okay. We're live. Let's go. Let's go. YouTube. Channel. Okay, and then Twitter. And here we go. Hey, Picky. ¿Dónde está todo? Okay. Three people. Okay. Well, let's start till we are at least 4 or 5 people, and then I'll start. Okay. Hey Tim. Hallo. Guten Morgen. Of guten... Ik weet niet hoe je dat zegt. Gewoon goeiemorgen, I guess. Let's go. Two people. Ja, deep green. Groen. Green overall. Nice to see that. Okay. 2 people, 1 likes. Okay. Well, I'm gonna start logging in already. Nah. I'm gonna put this one here. Waiting for people to join. I'm gonna log in on my Binance account just to show you guys just a little few things of the futures thing that Carlos had, for example, in the group. And in the meantime, let's just wait for the people to join. Okay, there you go. How many people we are? Okay, still not a 4. Okay. I'm logging in on my Binance account just to show you guys how the fees work, and then I'll start. One more thing here. Okay. 931. Okay. And yes, well, how many people are we? Okay, 4 people reaching hub. Okay. Welcome. I think people will join the stream as we're going. So, well, as we see, a lot of green today. A lot of green, a lot of also deep green. I see engine, 1 inch waves. I can't really say that one. Fuck it. No, doesn't really matter. BNB, XRP. So yeah, that's alt season. As we see on the alt season index, 94%. If we also take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, going exactly as predicted. Exactly. Remember I showed you just this chart when we were here? Exactly as predicted. We're going down like crazy. This is one of the 2 scenarios I got right now. So either we bounce from here and then we go up, Bitcoin starts to pump again like crazy, or we have an even bigger alt season and then the bull run is over. Of course, I mean, green, we do deserve green, to be honest. At least, to be fair, we do deserve the green. But yeah, I mean, let's start with the Fibonacci levels, because one in the group had a question with the Fibonacci retracement. And I mean, personally, or the people actually I've seen them use it, we just use it to predict the pullbacks, to predict the price points for the pullbacks and stuff. So what you actually do is, let me take this off. And yeah, also this, let me just move this around. You come here to trading view, you come to this one, to this third option, you come to Fibonacci retracement, you take from the swing high till the swing low. This one is it. So swing high and swing low. Actually, it was here, sorry, this was the swing low right here. And you see, it's just like we dump. Okay, from swing high to swing low, there's a 0 point Fibonacci level. And once we bounce, we always have to watch out for the 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci level. Actually, if you were doing Forex, you only have to watch out for the 0.5 Fibonacci level, so this one. But because we're in crypto, things are more heated than the stock market, of course. The price action gets a lot crazier than there. So what we do is just grab those two. And as you guys saw, all of the pullbacks that happened actually in the group, you could have seen them. I mean, we predicted them to the cent actually. So it was really good. And we do use this a lot to predict the predictions and corrections. And they're really accurate to use. So we're seeing right now, we actually claimed this one as a support right now, actually twice. We did also go to resistance here. Now it's kind of like double resistance, because this is an all-time high we had back then in 21st of February, and it was a 58,000. And we have also the Fibonacci level. So we might be bouncing in this range for a bit, and then either we go to the upside or downside. If it's downside, you already know, I told you guys between 55, 54 level. 54 is now a bit impossible. If we have 54K, I think it would be just a week down. But 50K would be, 55K would be really reasonable, and then just like bounce off again. Because you can clearly see here, I mean, we've been in an accumulation phase since pretty much 7th of February, and we've been trending up since then, making higher highs and higher lows. Besides here, he was in a higher high. This was actually a high low. Now, yeah, that's it. I mean, Fibonacci level is really easy to understand. You just use it to predict corrections, or when your asset is on price discovery, you can with this you can guess kind of where we're heading. So yeah, that's actually Fibonacci levels. It's not really that complicated. It's just you got to get used to it. I'm gonna move on now to futures, because futures, Carlos from the group had a question, and let me go to markets. Did we have? Okay, just taking futures market, because you got to pay funding fees, right? So let's just go to Bitcoin perpetuals. So yeah, imagine I want to open a trade, right? So look at this, funding countdown. So you pay actually of your trade 0.03%. This actually goes up a lot when there's a lot of volatility. There's you have to pay a lot. I had times that I paid actually thousands to pay my funding fees, because my position was really high. It was a really big position. Thanks for the, yeah, no worries, man. We're here to help. So you gotta watch out also for the funding fees. Binance has usually a really higher fees. Bybit actually doesn't really have that high of a fees. They also don't have many coins, so I use it mostly only to trade Bitcoin or Ethereum. So let's just actually compare. You see, the funding fee here in Bybit is only 0.01. Here in Binance is 0.03. So you're actually paying 3 times more than in Bybit. So that's why I recommend Bybit. It's just because the funding fees are way less, and then it's more user friendly. And imagine your funds get, with a scam week. I don't think if you guys know what a scam week is. Well, let me show you. Scam week trading is when you get something like this. These are the scam weeks. but like way higher. Oh, this one is way better. Yeah, this scam weeks. So it's just like we dump really crazy and then we bounce off instantly. So if that would have happened here in Bybit, you would get your funds instantly. You would get them back. So that's nice. I don't know if Binance supports that. I don't think they do, to be honest, but no worries. So you got to check on the funding fees. So yeah, that's a thing to watch out for. Binance is always really high with the funding fees. Bybit not, but Bybit only has only supports like 7-8 coins or so. So yeah, be careful with that. Also, before I continue, guys, because I actually forgot, we have the giveaway ongoing. We are now currently on the group 180 members right now. So yeah, make sure to participate because we're gonna do it on the 200 members on Telegram. We are already 1,000 followers, where we have 1,000 followers on Instagram. So we only need 20 more people on our Telegram, and we'll be doing the giveaway. The link to this post is on the description down below. So make sure to participate, guys. And now let's continue. Let's go first through some charts, and I'll do a recap, and then I'll talk about the NFTs and where crypto is going, because I think we still have time left. So let's go first through VeChain. I think we have to change our group name to Crypto Investments Only Invest in VeChain. But you know what? We're making good gains there, so let's just keep it up. We saw we had a nice breakout here on this ascending triangle, but once we break out, we had also like a small reaccumulation phase. Or actually, you can call this more like a V-shaped recovery, because it was instant. Now making currently new highs. So yeah, I actually expect this to go to the top of the channel, to go here. Let me show you. Whoops. Let me show you this. I actually shared this with you in the group, but you can clearly see we're trending up on this ascending channel. And yeah, the next target would be actually 15 cent, 14 cent. And then, yeah, then would be the do or die moment, like Cardano had, right? So yeah, it's actually interesting to watch this one. It could really jump to the $1 really easy. I mean, it's price discovery. People are talking about it, and imagine the Coinbase Pro listing comes on. Yeah, it will be really easy to to push it to the dollar. Or not even, I mean, not dollar, but maybe 50, 60 cents, and then it will get the momentum. So, yeah, watching it closely. Bitcoin, I think I already talked about it, right? It's yeah, there's not much to say, to be honest. It's a boring price action, and yeah, I mean, it's fighting right now again this 0.618 Fibonacci level. And yeah, if it gets through it, we will have this confirmation of the inverse head and shoulders, right? That I talk about also in the group. You can see it here clearly. I'm not gonna use the tool, but I'm gonna do just this. We will have the inverse head and shoulders, and you already know. Inverse head and shoulders goes always to the upside. We already see here also, for instance, another inverse head and shoulders, and we went crazy to the upside. So yes, I think this is actually this is actually it. Looking at this right now, I don't think we're gonna go lower. We're just fighting against the resistance here on this level right here. So let me actually save this. So yeah, I think we're going up right now. VeChain to Pluto, VeChain to fucking Jupiter. Let me add moderator. Yes. Okay, so we already went through VeChain, through Bitcoin. Let's go through Ethereum, because actually Ethereum has a nice price action. We saw it trending up here, making a really nice bull flag. It found some resistance here, right? Because this was also the previous all-time high. It confirmed that actually as support here. We can call it as a confirmation right here. And now pushing up to the upside, as I said in the market update. Guys, if you want to be daily updated, join the Telegram group. The description, the link is also in the description down below. And yeah, I think once we break out 2,200, almost 2,300 will be in place. So yeah, I think once we break out from here, we will go there for sure, and really quickly. I see also That's nice. That's nice. Let's go to Cardano. Cardano is actually doing what Ethereum did 2 months ago. Really boring price action and just accumulating. But I mean, there's nothing really to worry about. I mean, it's just a normal, an old school accumulation phase. You know, now after the big run up it had, I mean, you can clearly see, right? After the big run up it had, I mean, this was needed, right? This was really needed. So now it's accumulating. Not really much to say. It's accumulating. Maybe we will revisit the bottom line here of the pennant and then just break out, because also if you see here clearly the volume has dropped, which is a sign of accumulation, of course, right? And I'm tending it will break to the upside, but everything can happen here. So we shall see. Can you explain how you predict the price action from StormX a couple of days ago, or was it just a guess? Haha. Now I never take guesses. I always let me go check it. I always just check the graph and that's it. I never take guesses. I only I chart it and I try to chart it as good as possible. Storm. I don't know where I chart it, to be honest. I think here, right? Yeah, well, never mind. Yeah, just this. I mean, if you just take a look at this, I have the daily pulled up here. And it's just, I'll go just naturally, right? You can see here now, we have this, and I can clearly see like a small support here. So yeah, we're making a standing flag, a rising wedge. And you can see that rising wedges tend to to break to the downside. So maybe we will have something like this if we're lucky, right? And then just break down. But it's a bull market though. This is a bull market, so it can break also to the upside. We've seen Bitcoin, Ethereum, VeChain, Coti, a lot of assets doing that. So this is a bull market. Even the bearish formations tend to break to the upside. So this could happen. I'm not saying it will, but just knowing that the alt season is here, this could easily break to the upside. So yeah, everything can happen. But I would be just a bit cautious, you know. Imagine if we lose this support here, sell. If we lose this line here as a support, just sell. And that's it. That's what I would do. I'm not saying you to sell. So, yes. Cardano, I already went through Cardano, through VeChain, through... Okay, now, well, let's go talk about crypto and the NFTs. Where I think crypto is going, I mean, I do think... that we still have between 3 and 6 months of bull run. I already shared it a lot of times in the group, but I'm going to share it once again. I'm going to go through some on-chain analytics and tell you why I base my opinion on the 3-6 months. You can see here we're still far above from euphoria, so that's a plus for me. You know, it doesn't concern me, to be honest. So we're still far, because you see every time we go to euphoria, it's game over. And we had yesterday the big news coming in, right, that the second biggest Bank of America with a portfolio of $3.7 trillion, they will start also trading cryptocurrencies. So that's actually super bullish. That's actually that means that the bull run is actually being prolonged. And it means more money to be made. So yeah, this is one of the NUPL, the net unrealized profit lost. Then I watch always the thermocap, because you always have to use a lot of indicators, because you can't only rely on one, to be honest. So you see here, we still have a lot of room to grow. Every time we touch the red territory is no bueno. It's sell time. If we also go to the air hodl ratio, we still have a lot of time left. So yes, I mean, just looking at this, we still have easy 3 to 6 months. Everything can happen, of course. If we from here we go to in a straight up line, if we go to the upside, then it's going to be like only 1 month, and then we will be done. But also I take a look at this, right? I mean, if this doesn't bounce here, if the Bitcoin dominance doesn't doesn't bounce here and goes to the upside, then we know it's game over. Stop, pack up, and you know, I mean, what Bitcoin goes, right? Because with the altcoins, it will be it will be amazing. But this is actually only for Bitcoin pairs. Don't get it wrong. This is the Bitcoin dominance only acts on the Bitcoin pairs. So if you have an altcoin on the Bitcoin pair, it will be amazing. Vichin is actually keep on pushing. Keep it that way. So yes, I mean, crypto is I mean, it's just in the edge of being adopted, of mass adoption. So we're making it. We're making it. I don't think we will be fully adopted this bull run. I think we will be fully adopted on the next bull run, but on this one, I don't think so. I don't think so. But NFTs, if we talk about NFTs right now, I mean, they are really hot. They will be even bigger. That's why I think of the 7 or 6 projects I'm invested in, 5 or 4 of them are NFTs integrated. So yeah, I think NFTs will take over. I'm planning also making NFTs. Just to say it there and throw it in the air. I'm going to make some NFTs, but I will do it once the gas fees are low, because gas fees right now are killing. Okay, not the contract address. If you see, I mean, let's go to, I don't know, just what. This will be also a coin I'm invested in, right? They have to do with NFTs and gaming. So there I'm heavily invested. I mean, you can see here, gas fees are really high. And imagine you want to make your own NFT. You can put it here on Rarible. You make your own account. You have to have MetaMask, of course. You log in and then you make your account. And that's it. And you just have to log in, make your account, and yup, you're set. You're set to go. And NFTs will be big though. NFTs will be big. So you don't have to understand them. You don't have to try to make a statement out of it. No, NFTs, non-fungible token. What's that? Digital art. That's it. Easy as that. You don't have to think about it twice or 3 times. No. And also, you have to see it this way. There's money there. You have to be there. Whatever there's money, you have to be there. It's easy as that. And I mean, NFTs will be huge. Will be also a big part of the next bull run. Also, as well as gaming. Gaming will be also really big in this bull run. And it will be a strong narrative. It will be a strong narrative. So, guys, any questions? Any questions? We still have 10 minutes, 8 minutes. So, any questions, guys? Charts to go through whatever you guys want. Cody actually bouncing strong here. Oh, let's do the recap. The recap. Well, let's go. First of all, let's start with BitShares. BitShares, because there are some coins we shared and they are doing extremely well. Extremely well. BitShares, we shared it, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago. Boom. It did 152%. It made also a higher low. So this one will be pumping like crazy. Already 152% since our call. Swing trades. Okay, let's talk about swing trade. When do you think the Cody bridge will finally open again? To be honest, I don't have a fucking clue. Because they don't even talk about it. That's the thing. They don't even talk about it. So it's really hard to say. Yeah, I mean, I'm just waiting there. I have a couple of friends also who check the Cody bridge together with me. And whenever it's open, we just say it. But the Cody bridge, it will take some time, I think. BitShares, 152%. Let's go to Stratis, and then I'll move on to swing trades. But before I go there, what do you want to know exactly about swing trades? Okay, since we shared this, it was actually somewhere here, right? I think it was somewhere here. Yep, already 53% since Monday. So free money, guys, free money. And of course, how can I forget about Yiffy? Whoop, that's not the chart I wanted to pull up. Is it this one though? Yes, sir. Yiffy. I shared it also here, and already did. What was it? A 51%. So yeah, guys. I mean, we're just guys helping each other here, right? I mean, 3 coins we shared, 3 coins that are in profit. 10xGG. Actually, let me check it. I don't know if they already got rugged or so. Let's check. Yep. Yeah, that's what I feared. See, I mean, I told it. I mean, if you guys invested it in, you guys broke out even, because I did broke out even. So yeah, it looks like they rugged. Well, I hope not, but yeah. Virox. I'm still buying in heavy, like GSwap. Now looking like it found some support here. Let's and they have also big news coming in. I don't think if you guys saw this one. Virox launch. Here will be the thing coming, the counter for the app. Let's do a bit of tweaking here, of course, right? This is how it will be looking. I wanted also to check if they didn't upload the countdown. Yes, I wanted it to upload them so I can see that, right? But no, I can't. Well, they will be doing some huge updates in the coming days. What else? Virox. Yeah, I mean, the only bad investment we actually shared, it was actually XGG, but we broke out even. So yeah, that's good. Swing trades can also be done on Monday when you take out money and buy a new projects back and forth. Yeah, swing trades can be on money, but I look swing trades more. I look swing trades more as I open up a trade and I let it for ride for a week or two, you know, and just forget about it, and just also only think about the how would you call it, the funding fees, right? So one thing you can do, of course, is to imagine a beautiful swing trade would be actually if we had the chance to open up a trade here on this green line and then just let it ride, right? Just let it ride to like 80,000, 96,000, because these prices will be hit in 2 months. You can mark my words. Bitcoin will be in 2 months, will be around here. I mean, there's no doubt about it. So yeah, swing trades for me are more like of a 2 week, 3 weeks. I even had a trade open for a month. For Ethereum, was it? Yeah, it was like 250 euros, was it then? And yeah, I opened up a trade. And I closed it when it hit at what was it, 800 or so, because the funding fees were getting really high. So yeah, yep. Watching up closely. Ethereum, Bitcoin on resistance right now. We need to break out and push up to these levels. When these levels are breaking, I think we will fly hard to here to all-time high. And this will mean the continuation of the biggest alt season ever. Because guys, you don't know what the magnitude of this alt season will be. This will be epic. This will be fucking epic. This will be amazing. And we have this breaking out as well, breaking down. So yes, it will be actually amazing if we touch this here and then we bounce off. It will be actually amazing. So guys, any more questions? Any more questions? I actually forgot to record the stream. Any more questions, guys? Tell me what coin you want me to go through. Or any other question, of course. Because I think I already went through everything. Yes. Fib levels. Let me go exchange on balances. 5 likes. Nice. People, look at this. I mean, we can't say that the bull run is over. We can't say, look at this. Bitcoins are leaving exchanges like hell. Look at this. I mean, look at this. It's just leaving the exchanges. I mean, it went down instantly. And also, take a look at this. Compare this bull run with the other one. We're not even close to be over. We're not even close. Look at it here. Bitcoin were actually going into exchanges. Whereas here, as we move up, Bitcoins go to cold storage. So, yeah, we're far from over. We also take a look at Ethereum. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Just like a roller coaster. A bit of a reversal, but I mean, yeah, it's Ethereum, right? There are a lot of tokens. So, yeah, we will have maybe something like this, right? Maybe like a big spike to the, a small spike to the upside, and then straight downside, straight to the downside, like here. Just like a bear trap. Any other questions, guys? What can I go through? What can I go through? Boop, boop, boop. Any other questions? Maybe something in the group. Yeah, I think that was it, right? I mean, I think I went through everything. If you guys don't have any more questions, don't forget to join our Telegram. If you guys are not already in there, we do daily market updates, except Saturdays and Sundays. We do keep up to date if something happens. We share coins. Everyone made profits with us. Everything is being shared for free, basically. And we're like a big family there. We just help each other, right? So make sure to participate on our giveaway. Join our Telegram, subscribe here to our YouTube channel, and our YouTube channel. And yeah, guys, see you in the next time. Bye-bye.